Introduction to the Ameda breast pump. Hi Emily, I'm Natalia.
Hi Natalia.
Let me go over the equipment with you.
Great.
This is our Ameda hospital grade breast pump. Here we have your own individual breast pump kit. Each time we pump, we'll pump into new bottles. I also have a copy of the CDC guideline for breast milk storage, cleaning. Very helpful, available on the CDC website. We're going to start by washing our hands.
Thanks.
Very good, Emily. You're going to open your kit here.
May I have your attention, please? Code stroke. Emergency department. Code
It's eager
stroke.
tonight.
Emergency department.
We
Code
have our
stroke.
flanges.
Emergency department.
Just to review with you. Bladders inside here. And we have valves. Okay. I'm going to put on the bottles. And like I said, we'll use new bottles each time you pump. Okay, I'm going to plug it into the kit here. We'll turn the machine on right here.
Okay, great.
The speed, we do not need to adjust. The suction will move to a comfortable level for you. And we have a timer. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended.
Okay, great.
All right, Emily. You're going to hold the pump to your breast like this.
I should sit up as much as possible, right?
Absolutely. All right. I'm going to adjust the suction. You tell me when you feel gentle tugging, but no discomfort. How do we feel now, Emily?
It feels okay. I feel like it can go up a little higher.
How about now?
Maybe a little bit more.
Very good.
Okay, I think that's good.
That's perfect. Good. No pain?
No pain.
Excellent. I'm just looking at the equipment, and your nipples are not rubbing against the edges of the flanges, so we look good.
I see these buckets here are condensing. Does that mean something?
It looks like we're collecting a little bit of colostrum.
Oh, great.
15 to 20 minutes later. Great job, Emily. It looks like you collected a lot of colostrum there. Perfect. You're going to lean forward as we remove the equipment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you hold this one, I'm going to take this apart. And we'll put this aside and clean it later. All right. Now your job, Emily, is to time and date this milk specimen. I have your labels here. Breast milk can be left out for up to 4 hours. Excellent. And now if you put these labels onto the bottles this way, they'll be saved in a breast milk fridge for later use. Or if within 4 hours we can leave it out. As you hand me the specimen, I'm just going to initial this
Okay.
to say I received it.
Where do you store them?
It's going to go into the breast milk fridge.
Awesome.
All right. Good job, Emily.
Thanks, Natalia.